What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the latest items that I got from Chanel. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I went into the Chanel store, I went into the Chanel beauty store, and then also I got some shoes. So let's start with what I got from the Chanel beauty store. So the first thing I see are these Chanel perfume samples. I'm actually going to give these away because I don't like Chanel fragrances, but I'm sure someone else will. This is a lip liner that I've been seeing all over TikTok. It is Nude Brun 162. It's just a nude color. So here is the pencil. So here is the color. Very pretty nude. Then I also got the hand cream. So here it is right here. It's super cute. So last year I got a lot of the holiday sets, but this year I just got one. So here is the packaging. So this is the All Eyes On makeup set, and it has the lash primer, a mascara, and a eyeliner. So here is the makeup bag. It's super cute. It has a really cute snowflake zipper pull that is so cute. I actually tried this mascara last year. It came in one of the sets along with the eyeliner. So I already know that I like those. So it's just a black eyeliner. Here's the lash primer. So here is this huge Saks bag. So the Chanel boutique that I go to is inside of Saks. We do not have a Chanel store where I live. They do not carry shoes within the boutique. They carry the shoes in the main Saks shoe department. So my SA that works in the Saks shoe department, he put me on the list to receive these boots. And he told me that it would be a few weeks, but he actually texted me a week later to tell me that they got them. And I am obsessed. So here is the dust bag. Here are the boots. So I got the Chanel rain boots. They're black with white CCs. And the inside is the burgundy interior, like the classic flaps. So I'm usually a size 37, 37 and a half, but I got these in a 38 just so I could wear some like comfortable socks with them and still have room. And now, last but not least, this is what I got from the Chanel store. So I want to say it was Cruise 2025 is what these items are from. So I'm going to open the smallest one first. So here it is. It's a really simple CC brooch. So I got a few brooches because I actually ruined one of mine. I washed it by accident in the washing machine. Still have it, but it melted, so that was sad. Here is this box. And I went Chanel crazy. I felt like I hadn't been in there in so long. So here is another CC brooch, but this one has more kind of like rhinestone. This one's very blingy. This one's really pretty. And what I really want to do is like wear numerous brooches at one time. Like I love that look. I think it's so chic. Now these are the two that I'm most excited about. So I don't know which one to unbox first. I think this one. So here it is. Now I'm going to try to show this the best I can, but the camera and the lighting is not doing this any justice. But this is the most beautiful necklace from Chanel. Oh my gosh, this necklace is so me. So these are earrings, and I have to say these are my favorite. I am so happy that I got these. Here they are. They are CC hoops, and oh my gosh, let me show you closer.
What is going on here? Is it going on this ear?
No, I possibly have these on the wrong ear. But how cute are these? And I love these earrings. I'm so happy I got them. I'm going to get so much use out of them. I just love them so much. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Share with your friends. And please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one.